Today we are going to start a new subject, new lesson. Today we start a geometry. Lesson number 1. Name of the lesson is similarity. The points which are included in these topics are ratio of the areas of two triangles, basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, property of an angle bisector of a triangle, property of three parallel lines and their transversals, similarity of a triangles, test of similarity of a triangles, and theorem of the areas of a similar triangles. That means the points which are included are as what I say, a ratio of the areas of two triangles, basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, property of an angle bisector of a triangle, property of a three parallel lines and their transversal, similarity of a triangles, test of similarity of a triangles, theorem of areas of a similar triangles. These points are included in this lesson. Today we are starting a new lesson, a new subjects. Okay, so one by one all these points are covered. Okay, तो पहले जो बात है रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स, ratios of areas of two triangles. This point will be start. Okay, I remove this and we are going to know step by step. That means one by one. Okay. In previous standard or previous year, we know what is a ratio and proportion. In 8th standard, 9th standard, we know about this. Now suppose the number a and b are in the ratio m upon n, is also written as m, a and b are in proportion m is to n. Okay, then for this purpose we can set the positive real numbers. We know that length of the line segment and area of any figure are positive real numbers. Okay, so formula of angle of a triangle is that area of a triangle half into base into height. Okay, formula of area of a triangle half into base into height. Now we are regarding with this formula, we are clear that a ratio of areas of two triangles. Okay, let's see. Now first point, ratios of areas of two triangles. For this, okay, in triangle ABC, suppose this triangle ABC, ABC is the triangle and AD is BC is the base and AD is the height. Okay, that means in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AD is equal to height and BC is equal to base. Okay, similar way in triangle PQR, PQR, this is S. In triangle PQR, PS is equal to height and QR is equal to base. This is one angle and this is another angle. So in triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. And similar way, PQR, PS is the height and QR is the base. Okay, then a ratio of these two triangles, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, right? Then what is area of ABC? Half into base into height, half into base BC, height AD. right? Divided by half into base into height. Okay, therefore ratio of area of triangle ABC to the ratio of areas of triangle PQR is that this half is gone, this half is gone. Therefore what happens? BC into AD divided by QR into PS. This is the ratio of triangle ABC to PQR. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. The ratio is that BC into AD divided by QR into PS. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their heights and bases. Means that the ratio of two triangles, the ratio of areas of two triangles are equal to the product of their bases and corresponding heights from this. Okay, if B1 is the base of triangle, B1 and H1 is the base of triangle first, and B2 and H2 is the base. Suppose B1 and H1 is base and height of triangle 1 and B2 and H2 is base and height of triangle second. Then means this is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2. Okay. Then we are right in the ratio that therefore then ratio of their areas, ratio of their areas is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. मतलब areas जो होता है, areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their product and heights. मतलब इनका products and corresponding heights के लेवल में इनका रेशियो होता है. रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स. मान लो ये रेशियो इस रेशियो से और हाइट का रेशियो हाइट के रेशियो, मतलब बेस इनटू बेस एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट, बेस एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट. दिस इज द फर्स्ट. हेंस condition is imposed. Some conditions are imposed on the two triangles. Okay, are you clear this? The ratio of areas of a two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Okay, this is the first condition. Okay, this is a ratio of areas of two triangle. Area, we are taking the formula of area, half into base into height. Now regarding with two conditions are there. If heights of both triangles are equal and if base of both triangles are equal, then what happens? Okay, ये area both triangle का area लिया हमने. अभी if heights of two triangles are equal, अगर दो triangles की heights equal होती है तो उनका एरियाज का रेशियो कैसा होता है, और अगर बेस दोनों ट्रायंगल के इक्वल होते हैं तो उनको एरियाज का रेशियो कैसा होता है. कंडीशन फर्स्ट. व्हिच कंडीशन? कंडीशन फर्स्ट. इफ हाइट्स ऑफ बोथ ट्रायंगल्स आर इक्वल, इफ हाइट्स ऑफ बोथ ट्रायंगल heights of both triangles are equal. If heights of both triangles are equal, then what happens? This is first condition. Okay, we are drawing again a diagram. A, B, C. Okay. Okay, D, this is B, this is height H. PQR. Means height of both triangles are equal. Then what happens? Okay, what is the ratio? Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR. उनका रेशो क्या हुआ? इनका बेस क्या होता है? बेस इंटू हाइट, BC इंटू H डिवाइडेड बाय QR इंटू H. That means BC divided by QR. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? BC divided by QR. H is gone. Therefore, suppose area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 divided by B2. Okay, I explained this. The condition first. What is the first condition? If the heights of both triangles are equal, this is one triangle and this is another triangle, height of both triangle is same, height of both triangle is equal, then area of triangle ABC means base into height, base BC into height H, and area of triangle PQR, that is QR into H. Therefore H is gone, BC upon QR. That means B1 for base first and B2 for the base second. The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. इसका मतलब ये होता है, अगर दो ट्रायंगल्स की हाइट्स इक्वल होती है तो उनका रेशियो जो होता है तो वो उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग बेस से इक्वल होता है. That means the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. उनके corresponding base से वो equal होता है. अब ये बात आपको समझ में आई होगी. I will take another. That means condition second. We are going to second condition. What is the second condition? Second condition is that if the bases of both triangles are equal. Condition second. What condition second? If the bases of both triangles are equal. ओके, अगर दोनों ट्रायंगल के बेस इक्वल होंगे, मतलब अभी हमने पहले देखा अगर दोनों की हाइट इक्वल होती है वो रेशियो जो होता है बेस से इक्वल, रेशियो जो होते हैं वो इक्वल टू द करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसेस. अगर बेस इक्वल होता है तो करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द हाइट्स. ओके, आई एम ड्राइंग अनदर एग्जांपल. A, B, C, E, Q, R, D, E, S. Sorry, extremely sorry for that. H1, this is H2 and this is PQ. अगर दोनों के बेस इक्वल्स है तो the ratios of areas of two triangles equal bases is equal to their corresponding heights. उनके corresponding heights के पर जाएगा. कैसे जाएगा वो आप देखेंगे. Therefore, areas of triangle ABC divided by areas of triangle PQR APB sorry APB यहाँ पे दो ट्रायंगल्स हैं ABC एंड APB. दोनों का बेस कैसे आएगा? AB बेस इंटू हाइट H1 डिवाइडेड इसका भी है AB इंटू H2. AB is formed. Therefore, H1 upon H2. If the bases of two triangles, the ratio of areas of two triangles, the bases are equal, base is equal, then the ratio of their corresponding heights with their corresponding height. अगर बेस इक्वल है तो उनके हाइट से इक्वल होगा एंड हाइट इक्वल होगी तो बेस के इक्वल होगा. रिलेटेड टू देयर बेस मीन्स वी आर क्लियर दैट फ्रॉम द प्रॉपर्टीज condition first and condition second. What happens? I told again, the ratio of areas of two triangles equal to their heights is equal to the ratios of their corresponding bases, and the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratios of their corresponding heights. Okay. Now some examples related with their problems we have solved and then we can understand. Means some concepts from this information we are getting. Areas of triangle with equal base proportional to their corresponding heights. मतलब दो ट्रायंगल्स के बेसेस अगर इक्वल होंगे तो प्रोपोर्शनल उनका प्रोपोर्शनल करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स होगा और हाइट्स प्रोपोर्शनल में होंगे इक्वल हाइट्स होंगे तो प्रोपोर्शनल उनका बेस होगा एंड देयर दो एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स इज इक्वल देन रेशियो ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर बेसेस एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स. ओके, आर यू अंडरस्टैंड? आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई से. मतलब मेरी बात आपकी समझ में आई होगी. ओके okay, now I solve some examples related with this similarity. That means area equal तो क्या होगा हाइट्स और बेस के प्रोपोर्शनल होगा. हाइट इक्वल होगा तो बेस के प्रोपोर्शन में होगा. अगर बेस इक्वल होगा तो हाइट्स के प्रोपोर्शन में होगा. नाउ वी सॉल्व सम एग्जांपल्स ऑन द बोर्ड्स. ओके, some examples in the practice set 1.1. I am not writing a problem, but we solve the problem here. Just I read it and you can understand. Base of the triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratios of their areas of a triangle. मतलब यहाँ पे दो triangles की base and height दी है. So suppose let B1 for base first triangle, B2 for second triangle, sorry B1 H1, B1 and H1, B2 and H2, right? The base of triangle is 9, मतलब पहले का base 9 है, height is 5 and base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find their areas of their triangles. Okay, इनका areas का triangles दिखाना है. अभी हमने देखा था base and heights. Therefore, how we solve this? Area, right? A1 is equal to A1 is equal to area of triangle first, and A2 is equal to area of triangle 2. Then A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 H1 डिवाइडेड बाय B2H2। ओके, अगर एरिया दोनों का निकालना है प्रोपोर्शनलिटी में तो 9 into 5 divided by 10 into 6, that is 45 divided by 6. Are you understand? Are you understand what I write? That means 15 threes are and 15 fours are. Therefore, ratio is, find their areas. Find areas of these triangles. Ratio of these triangles. Therefore, ratio of this triangle is equal to 3/4 or 3:4. अगर दोनों का बेस एंड हाइट दिया है तो we can solve in this manner. Okay? Now we are going to solve another example in this lesson. Sorry, in this exercise. Okay. Here BC perpendicular to AB. देखो आपको समझ में आएगा, BC is perpendicular to AB. AB पर BC perpendicular है and AD perpendicular to AB. AD perpendicular to AB is given. BC is 4. BC is equal to 4. AD is equal to 8. Then find what? Then find what? Find area of triangle ABC. Ratio of area of triangle ABC to area of triangle ADB. Means that here what is given? The given information is here. Diagram is drawn on the board. What happens? Areas of triangles with equal bases. BC perpendicular to AB and AD perpendicular to AB. Means here bases are equal bases proportional to their corresponding heights. अगर bases equal है तो उनका proportionality corresponding to their heights. Therefore, what is the answer? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB. What happen? क्या होगा बताओ? Bases BC upon AD. Right? That means BC कितने हैं? 4, AD है 8. That is 4 1 जा 1, 4 2 जा 8. That is equal to 1 into 2. Therefore, areas of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to 1/2. Find the areas. इन्होंने पूछा था area. अगर base, if the base of two triangles is equal, then their proportionality corresponding with their height. BC is the height and AD is the height is given in that example. So solving we get this answer. I think all of you understands very well. If any problem, you may call me. Okay?